3 nuclear power. 3 nozzle humidifier. Soak the green cotton for 5 minutes. Insert it into the hole on the cover. Close the shell. Fill the water tank. Cover with the lid. Remove the transparent film. Plug in the power. Press and hold the power button to start the humidifier. A quick press creates a 2-hole plus. A second short press switches to single hole plus mode. The third turns on the ambient light, coloring your little night.